Okay, so this is my burner. I can't believe how bad it got. Cooking rice and the oil went all over it. I already soaked it a little bit. You can see it's wet. Right there, it's really bad. Try to clean that. So I'm just gonna make a paste that I made last time, and I really loved it, and I'll share it with you guys. So I'm gonna make today and share with you guys is a stovetop paste cleaner, especially for the burners, because it's time to clean my burners again. I'm not sure what's wrong with my burners, but I never had burners like this before. These stain really easy. Just from daily cooking, they get like real stains. But this one I really burnt yesterday. The oil spilled all over, and so this one, I soaked it a little bit in hot water for about 10 minutes, warm it up, and then I'm gonna make the paste with these ingredients. So I would usually use apple cider vinegar, but I didn't have it right now, so I'm just gonna use normal white vinegar, baking soda, some sea salt. It's great if you have coarse sea salt. And today I'm actually gonna use 3 of these different oils. Last time I just used lemon and it worked wonderful, but I'm gonna use also On Guard and Purify essential oil too. So these are the ingredients, and yeah, I'm just gonna make the paste. So we are gonna add 1/4 cup baking soda. And now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Add the vinegar slowly, otherwise it will explode. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup table salt. And now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. And now we mix all the ingredients together, and we'll see how thick it is. If it's not thick enough, you can add some more baking soda to it. Now we're gonna add 5 drops of lemon essential oil. And we're gonna add 2 drops of On Guard. And now we're just gonna add 2 drops of Purify and mix it all together. And it smells so good, you guys. It smells really nice. Now we're just gonna spread it all over the burners and leave the paste for about 20 minutes. So that's what it looks like. Just spread the paste all over my burners, and I'm just gonna leave it for about 20 minutes. So I am back about 20 minutes after, and I'm gonna use this little scrub and see how it comes out. So here it is, half of it. I'll show you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So see this black stuff already came off over here. So it comes off like this. So it works pretty good. I like it. I really like how fast it works. You still always have to use a little bit of elbow grease. Well, this one doesn't actually really, you don't even have to do it too hard. And it comes off really nice actually. So there you go. Most of it came off, as you can see. Yeah, it does an amazing job. This is actually one of my favorite cleaners now. This is the second time I try it, and I love it. Look at this. And I don't have to be afraid of spraying and leaving the room and opening the windows, or having my kids around the house or anybody around the house getting a headache and getting sick from breathing all this. Look at this. It's amazing, guys. This stuff works. It's so cool. It's clean. There it is. It came off. Now I just tried to get into the corners over there. But even all the stains that these guys get, not just the burn stuff, but the stains come off really easy with this paste, which is very cool. See, ta-da! It works really good. So let's try this one. This one was more stained right there. And this was really stained. And it also comes off really easy. See that? So I'll show you the finished project after I'm done, so you guys don't have to watch this. There we go, you guys. All of it nice and clean. Ta-da! We're all done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, you guys.